Hey YouTube, I'm gonna play another game real quick. Kind of taking a break from studying some stuff that I'm working on. I'm trying to take advantage of this pandemic. Can't hang out with anybody except online time. So, trying to go get a certification and get better at this game. So, only way to get better at it is to do it. So off we go. Ash River. Kind of reminds me of a CCR song. Take me down to the Ash River. Da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na. Where I can remember where I got blown up at B. Da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na. I'm not a singer. Never have been. Nor a tank driver. Alright. Last time I played this I was on the other side, but I seem to remember there being a really, really good high position up here to shoot from. Or get shot in. Basically overlooking A with... Oh. Yeah, I'm thinking of somewhere else. Oh, in fact it was up there. Yeah, that's where it was. Just a bit of a drive to get up there. Everywhere's a bit of a drive when you're doing 12 kilometers an hour. I know I've gotten up there before. I guess the other side. Gonna get blown up trying to get to the top of a hill. So this game's been out for a long time. I've only been playing on and off for a year or so, but I was told this was one of the original maps. And you can partly tell because the only things you can like damage besides the other tanks are the trees and bushes. There are no buildings or anything, any of the destructibles, I think they're called. Which they didn't really... Is that exhaust from a tank over there? It is exhaust from a tank. Ah. Oh, which way was I looking? So, this isn't exactly a sniper game, but I'm gonna play like it is. Who's he shooting at? Probably a guy up there. Gonna need that tree gone. Or that tree. Timber. know I saw him. Oh, I got turned around. I hate that. On fire. Adios, muchacho. Some of the physics stuff in this game is just really cool. Some of the enemies in this game are really hard to find. Oh. My position is probably a lot more fun to play whenever you're not just dominating the other team like it looks like we basically are. Where did he... Oh, there he is. On fire. Yes. Have I even shot a single round other than when I took out that tree? I don't think so. Looks like somebody has figured out where I am. Duh. I don't know. Just drop it over there. Ah. I was right. I was guessing it came from across the canyon. Boom. Yep, he shot me pretty darn good. I've had that position work out a lot better than that. Usually I do more work up there than just lumberjack work. Usually I at least take a few shots at tanks. Oh, that's cool. So, I believe in this map there are basically two positions that are really high elevated positions. Where I was was one, and this is the other. Up there's already a guy up there, so I'm going to go ahead and go over here. Their spawn point, so okay. I am so exposed to everyone in the game map. I was gonna say world, but world's only like 4 or 5 square miles here. Well, I think in order to get some action, I need to go where the action is. I'm not going to be able to play long distance sniper in this game today. So am not heading towards the exit, it appears. Nope. Nope. Well, I thought this was gonna like take me down the hill and in the direction of the fight. Instead, I have like really cool view of the valley, but I'm not here for the view. Ooh, why is it kind of jerky? Not a good place to have jerky steering. You ever play a game and you just feel like you're a spectator the whole game? I mean, aside from dying, that's pretty much how I felt this entire game. Oh, I have no idea how far I need to shoot that. Oh. Hit him right in the bumper. Ah, too short. I got a hit. But I didn't break even. And it wasn't last. Ouch. 3 deaths. That guy was more of a spectator than me. Usually spectating his own death, it seems like. Well, there's another game of me war bumbling my way around. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.